Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your laptop. First, download the dedicated desktop application for the best experience. This ensures smoother performance and access to all features, often being 50% faster than the web version. Once installed, either create a new workspace or log into your existing account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sidebar, where you will find all your pages, databases, and essential settings. This initial setup is crucial for a productive start. Notion's flexibility allows you to organize virtually anything. Start by creating new pages for your notes, tasks, or projects. These pages are your building blocks. For more structured information, leverage databases, which are incredibly powerful for managing lists, calendars, and more. You can add custom properties like dates, tags, or statuses. Remember to link related pages to create a connected web of information, making it easy to jump between contexts and keep everything organized. To truly boost your productivity, embrace Notion's advanced features. Start with templates. Notion offers a vast library for everything from meeting notes to project plans, saving you significant setup time. Next, master filters and sorts within your databases to create custom views, focusing only on the information you need. For teamwork, Notion excels with real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit simultaneously, track changes, and communicate directly within pages. This fosters seamless teamwork. To get the most out of Notion, adopt a few key habits. First, learn essential keyboard shortcuts. They can drastically reduce mouse clicks and save you valuable time. For example, Ctrl+N creates a new page. Second, explore integrations with other applications to streamline your workflows and connect your digital tools. Finally, make it a practice to regularly review and organize your workspace. A clean and well-structured Notion environment ensures you can always find what you need, when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.